Have you ever wondered which photos on your phone are actually backed up to your Google Photos account and which aren't? This video is going to show you how to see your backed up photos, and the first thing which we're going to do is to open our Google Photos app and then make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. From here, we're going to click on our profile picture icon that's located at the top right corner of the screen. Now find this Google Photos settings button and click on it. The next step is to open the backup option, and you'll want to make sure that this backup option is enabled. And this means that the app will automatically back up and save the photos from your iPhone or Android photo gallery to Google Photos, but they don't give us an option to check which photos are already backed up in here, so we'll have to use another little trick in order to do this. What you need to do is to exit the Google Photos application and then open Safari or any web browser which you use on your mobile phone. Hop over to the website called photos.google.com, and then it's going to open the web version of the Google Photos app. Just before we do anything, tap on the 3 horizontal lines and then see if you're on the correct Google profile. I'm already logged into the correct one, so I will go back, and then you're going to see all of the different photos which are already backed up to your Google Photos account. This will show you only the photos that are backed up. It won't show you the photos which are located into your phone's photo gallery that are waiting to be backed up and saved onto Google Photos. So these are essentially the steps of checking out your backed up photos in Google Photos on your mobile device. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, and I will see you in the next video.